Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, our topic is excretion. As I have told you that different types of life processes are taking place in the living organisms so that they are able to sustain their life on the earth. As same, excretion is also a life process. तो यहाँ पर हम excretion के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. As we know that all the living organisms are made up of cells, and these cells जो है they work all the time for sustaining life of the organism. Most of the work of the cells within the body of the organism is in the form of biochemical reactions. Biochemical reactions are taking place within the cells, and when these biochemical reactions are taking place in the organism, lot of toxic substances, lot of poisonous substances, lot of harmful substances are formed here during the process of these biochemical reactions. And these toxic wastes and these poisonous wastes, if retained in the body, if accumulated in the body of the organism, harms the organism, even though the death of the organism will be the result of the accumulation of these waste products if retained in the body. So, for living a normal life, for living a healthy life, it is necessary for the organism to remove these toxic substances, to remove these waste products, to remove these poisonous substances from the body. So, excretion is a process. Excretion is a life process which helps the living organism to remove these waste products from the body. The process of, यहाँ पर जो मैंने लिखा है, the process of removal of toxic wastes from the body of an organism is called excretion. वो process जिस प्रोसेस के जरिए ये लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने बॉडी से ये टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस, ये टॉक्सिक वेस्ट्स रिमूव करता है, इस प्रोसेस को हम एक्सक्रिएशन बोलते हैं. एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सक्रिएशन इज as necessary as all other living processes, as all other life processes, such as nutrition, such as respiration, such as transportation. As same, excretion is necessary life processes. Without it, the living organisms are not able to sustain their life on the earth. So, excretion means removal of these waste products from the body, a removal of these poisonous substances from the body, a removal of these waste products from the body. And excretion जो है, it is taking place both in plants as well as in animals. Here we will go through the process of excretion in plants. As I have told you that plants जो है, it's a living organism. It is also made up of cells like animals. Plants जो है, they also produce toxic substances. They also produce waste products. They also produce poisonous substances. But I would like to say you that here the plants produce the waste products very slowly as compared to animals. It produces waste products in small amounts as compared to animals. Moreover, there is no special organ present in the plants due to which they remove these waste products. Special organ उनमें मौजूद नहीं है. They use different methods, they use different tactics for removal of these waste products from the body. यहां पर मैं आपको बताने जाऊंगा the main waste product which is produced in the plant is carbon dioxide. जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, इट्स अ मैन वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. Water is a man waste product, water vapor, and oxygen is the man waste product. These three are the man waste products which are formed during the different biochemical reactions which are taking place in the plants. और आपको पता जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and water vapor, they are produced when the process of respiration is taking place in the plants. Oxygen is produced when the process of photosynthesis is taking place in the plants. It means that gaseous wastes जो है within the plants, they are removed through the small pores which are present in the lower sides of the leaves. They are called stomata. They are called stomata. And there is another lenticels which are present in the stamens. They also helps the plant to remove the gaseous wastes from their body. यहां पर मैं आपको बताने चाहूंगा जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज एक्सक्रिएटेड ओनली एट द नाइट टाइम. ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज नॉट एक्सक्रिएटेड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दिन में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की एक्सक्रिएशन नहीं होती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की रिमूवल नहीं होती है ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की एक्सक्रिएशन नहीं होती है ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की एक्सक्रिएशन ड्यूरिंग नाइट टाइम होती है ओनली. क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है ये प्रोड्यूस होता है ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पायरेशन. और जो दिन में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की प्रोडक्शन होती है ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ photosynthesis. It means that in the night time there is no process of photosynthesis within the plant. That is why the carbon dioxide is excreted during the night time. Moreover, the oxygen जो है इसकी excretion होती है during daytime. क्योंकि oxygen की production during daytime होती है when there is process of photosynthesis taking place in the plant. As we know that the process of photosynthesis is only possible when there is availability of sunlight. It means that the oxygen is excreted only during the daytime. Or moreover, जो water vapors है, they are excreted during the day as well as night time through the another process. That process known as transpiration. As we know that transpiration is a process which is taking place in the plants, due to which the aerial parts of the plant throughout excess water in the form of water vapors to the atmosphere. Moreover, plants also store some of the wastes, in the leaves, in the bark, in the fruits, and they get rid of these wastes only by shedding off leaves, by peeling off bark and felling off fruits. This is all for today. Thank you.